This is how you can create a model from scratch. So on this drop down menu, I already selected models, but if you haven't, just select models and click on it. And on the right, click on manage models. Once you click there, click on new and name your model. Now after you do that, your model is gonna open and it's gonna go straight to the time tab. So this is where you set up a lot of things related to time. Some people might want to plan in weeks, but majority of people plan in months, quarters, and years. So I'm gonna let it stay like that. The fiscal year start month, it says January automatically, but this is not the case for most companies. Some companies have different fiscal start months. Some of them are September, other months, etc. So let me start it in October as the fiscal year start month, and then the fiscal year label FY. But if your company uses a different term, you can just set up your own label. And fiscal year label is aligned with end of the month fiscal year, so let's keep it there. Current fiscal year, as you can see, starting in October, because I put October up there, and it's ending in September 2023. Number of past years and number of future years, you need to be very careful and look at your company strategy and decide how many past years of data you want and how many future years of data you want, because if you set up those two numbers high, then it's gonna blow up your model size, and Anaplan usually charges companies per how many gigabytes that they are given. So you need to be really careful over here. So I'm gonna put the past year of 1 year, and I'm gonna put future years 1 year as well. And then current period, I'm gonna set it to February 2023, and include quarter totals. I'm gonna also include year-to-date summary, but you might want to include half-year totals depending on your organization. So now that I set all that up, I'm gonna hit apply. And are you sure? Yes. This is very important to say this correctly, because formulas like current period start get data from this time data that we set up. So you need to be really careful and consider what your organization needs and set up time correctly. So other stuff like versions, general lists, modules, users, actions, I will talk about it in details later. Talk to you soon. Bye.